Casual gamer back at it again. Alright, we got gas station. We got Julz. See what I can do over here. Going up against Space, Cook, and Hitch. I always like to spy Leatherface if I start in this particular E cell.
What the hell is going on? Where are we? It's human, isn't it? Oh.
Depends.
Can I use that? Okay.
No, Hitch is coming downstairs. He might play aggressive. He may not.
This is good.
Already? Out of it, yeah. And that's the quickest game out there. If you got, alright, if you have a rushing meta, you have somebody who's gonna rush, and they actually know what they're doing, that's a dub. That's an easy win. And wins don't come easy in this game anymore after all the weeks and all that other crap they put in here. You know what I'm saying? After they nerfed all the elder characters or whatever, it's hard to get a win. So if I'm down in the basement and I'm chilling like 20 meters away and that basement door pops open, guess who's out? The kid. I don't care because I'm not sweaty. I'm casual. I'm the casual gamer. So it's Deuces out here in these backwoods streets. I never knew there was a bone pile right next to this car. I never knew. Okay, Daniel, I see you out here. Oh, he about to get. Ooh, he's like, yeah, I'm gonna try to get you, but he couldn't slice him. Hit left. Ooh, missed him again. It's gonna be interesting to see what he tries. Might come back upstairs and just go for. Since Hitch is the only chaser, really, in this game, he might go for car battery again, using fuse box as a distraction. I may have tried that, especially because he didn't get to hamper the car battery, so let's see.
Get away from me right now.
He's trying the other side of the map. Going back around.
Lost him. Looks clear.
They just been chasing. Oh, Hitch is everywhere.
Leave me alone.
Oh, props for going for the door again. I wouldn't have did that. Hitch is gonna be on him though. Oh, it's there. Oh, nice. Okay. If he gets away with this, He has no bones. What you call it? So he's going for the gate again, and he needs some health.
I can't die today.
I would have opened that gate though. I would have opened that gate, played it off.
It hurts so bad. I'm tougher than this. Damn.
Interesting.
I am not going
Chicken
out
making
like
too much
this.
noise. And here comes Leatherface. Again, like I said, I would have opened that gate to make him think that I was there. They would have had to spend at least 30 seconds looking for me. And that may have been the time that he needed to turn off the battery and be out. So now Leatherface may stay there and camp it, which I hate when they camp. That's just lazy, but whatever. Dude, what you doing? I say, you know it's right there. This could be an easy win though, because now if they're camping everything, all he's got to do is just be out. Don't tamper it, just be out. They're camping, and if they're camping, it's going to take them a while to get to the spot. Leatherface is not going to be able to get downstairs that fast. The only one you got to worry about is Hitch. Easy win. Like that.
I gotta.
And they all escaped. I like that too. I gotta say, I did not expect that, but I'll take the dub. Casual gamer, baby. Ooh, and I got 1600. I like that. GG's.